Xin chào, and welcome back to Viet Flavours. Today, we're giving your taste buds a little adventure beyond Vietnam, straight into the heart of Korea. We're making Osam Bulgogi, a spicy, sizzling stir-fry made with pork belly and squid in a bold gochujang-based sauce. In Korean, O means squid, and Sam comes from samgyeopsal, or pork belly. Together, they create a perfect harmony of texture and flavor. Here's what you'll need: 400 grams pork belly, 500 grams cleaned squid. Note, I'm using squid bodies that are already cut into bite-sized pieces, along with 3 or 4 large squid tentacles to add a bit more texture and variety. 3 green onions, half a medium yellow onion, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 tablespoon sesame seeds for garnish, and a bit of neutral cooking oil for stir-frying. For the sauce, 2 tablespoons red pepper powder, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon gochujang, 1 tablespoon cooking wine, mirin or rice wine, 1 tablespoon chicken stock, 1 tablespoon freshly minced garlic, 1 teaspoon freshly minced ginger, 1 teaspoon fish sauce, and half a teaspoon sugar. Let's start with the yellow onion by thinly slicing it. I'm only using half today, and I'll save the other half for another dish later. Separate the green onion whites and greens, then chop both. We'll use the whites for sautéing and save the greens for a fresh garnish at the end. Then cut the pork belly into bite-sized pieces. I got this pork belly from Costco. It comes without the skin, but if you prefer that extra texture, go ahead and use the one with skin on. Now for the squids. I just need to cut the tentacles into smaller pieces. And that's it. We're done with the prep and ready to move on to the final step, mixing the sauce. For the sauce, combine 2 tablespoons red pepper powder, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 teaspoon fish sauce, 1 tablespoon cooking wine, mirin or rice wine, 1 tablespoon chicken stock, 1 tablespoon freshly minced garlic, 1 teaspoon freshly minced ginger, 1 tablespoon gochujang, and half a teaspoon sugar. Whisk everything together. This is your fiery sweet flavor base. This sauce is absolutely gorgeous. Just look at that rich, deep red color. Okay, time to cook. Heat your skillet on high and drizzle in a little oil. Start with the white parts of the green onions. Sauté until fragrant, about 30-45 seconds. Next, add the pork belly and fry until it starts to brown and the fat renders out. squid and sliced onion. I'm adding the squid tentacles first, since they need a little extra time to cook compared to the other squid pieces. Notice how the fat rendered from the pork belly is enough to cook the rest of the ingredients. That's why we only need a small amount of cooking oil for this dish. Give everything a quick stir. Here comes the moment we've been waiting for. Pour in that beautiful sauce. Let it sizzle and bubble away until it thickens and coats everything in a glossy, irresistible red glaze. The beauty of this dish is that it uses just a handful of ingredients and comes together in no time. The real soul of Osam Bulgogi lies in its sauce. It brings the whole dish alive the moment it hits the skillet. Once the sauce thickens, drizzle in the sesame oil for aroma. Stir once more and turn off the heat. Finally, toss in the green onion tops. The residual heat will lightly wilt them to perfection. Transfer your Osam Bulgogi to a serving plate. The combination of chewy squid, juicy pork belly, and that spicy sweet sauce is absolutely irresistible. Garnish with extra green onion and sesame seeds. This fiery Korean classic is ready to serve. Pair it with a bowl of steamed rice. And if you like, add some pickled veggies on the side to balance out all those bold flavors. If you enjoyed this dish, subscribe to Viet Flavours for more recipes that celebrate the best of Asian cuisine. Thank you for watching and see you next time.